content creation is now one of the biggest industries. Many creators make huge money on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And the good news is, now you can create content using AI with minimum effort. In this video, I will share the method of making viral monetizable faceless YouTube videos. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. First of all, we have to select a topic or niche. You can choose between a trendy or evergreen niche. For example, history is one of the best evergreen niches. People always want to know about the history. If you can create informative and engaging content on history, then you will be successful in a short time. Now the question is, how can we create engaging and informative content? The answer is with the help of artificial intelligence. Yes, today I will share the method of making content with a single AI tool called Lockup. You may have known this tool as a voiceover generator. We already made videos on this platform. You will get it from the I button, but Lockup is now more powerful with several new features. Now you can create the full video with Lockup. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and create your account on Lockup. Once you are successfully logged in, your interface will look like this. Here you will notice the features of Lockup AI, such as AI avatar, AI voiceover, instant voice clone, AI writing, video translation, AI transcription, video editing, and more. Okay, now let's see how we can create content with Lockup. First of all, we need a video script. This AI writing feature will generate the script for us. Once you click on it, you will be on this page. Now to start writing the script with AI, simply click on this Ask AI to Write button or type / here. You will find some options. Here you can generate social media content, video scripts, marketing pitches, and many more. As we want to generate a video script, I am selecting the video script option. Now we have to enter the video topic. For example, I am typing Modern World History. And you can see, the video script along with visual suggestions is ready. Now you can generate voiceover from here. But I won't do it. Instead of generating voiceover, I will copy the script and keep it on a doc file. Okay, our script is ready. Now come back to the home page and then select the AI avatar option from here. This is the AI avatar generator page. Here you can create talking avatars. There are 4 options. You can upload your own avatar image, select a template image from here, generate an avatar image, and last and most importantly, gesture avatar. I will use the gesture avatar. Here you will find various hyper-realistic avatars in various styles and outfits for both male and female gender. I will select this one. After selecting the avatar, we have to enter our audio section. There are 3 sections: generate audio, upload audio clip, and record your own voice. I will generate voiceover with Lockup. We have to enter the script in this box. Here is one point to be noted. We can generate audio with a maximum of 3,000 characters at a time. Let's open the script doc. Here you will copy only the narration part. Don't copy any visual suggestions. I will copy the first narration script and then paste it into Lockup. Here you can notice, we can enter more characters. So, go back to the doc file and copy the next narration script and paste it into Lockup. In this way, enter script until it hits 3,000 characters. After entering the script, click here to change the voice actor. Here you will find a vast number of voice actors. We have to find the best and perfect one. In the Voice Lab, you will find some famous celebrity voiceovers. You can even clone your own voice to generate voiceover in your own voice. Here you can notice 2 voice actors I cloned earlier. Today, I will use an ultra-realistic voiceover from Lockup. After coming to the All Voice Actor tab, I will set some filters to find the best voice. First, the language and accents. I am going with English with US accents. Next, the gender. As I select a female avatar, I will select a female voice actor from here. After that, in the quality section, I will select Ultra. Now listen to some of them and then select the best one. I am selecting this one. Alright, our avatar, script, and voice actor are ET. Now to generate the video, click on Generate Talking Avatar from here. It will take some time to generate the video. In that time, we generate videos with the rest of the script. Keep the same avatar and voice actor and then enter the script and then hit the Generate Video button. In this method, generate video clips for the full video script. And here it is. Our videos are ready. And you can see the video quality.
The civil rights movement emerged, advocating for equal rights and challenging racial segregation. Led by figures like Martin Luther King Jr., this movement paved the way for significant social and legislative changes.
They are really amazing. You can download the video clips to your device and edit them with a video editor or use the DubDub online video editor. Simply click on Post Edit in Video Editing from here. This is the DubDub video editor. Here you can delete the avatar background with this master key option from here. And then upload all the background footage and B-roll footage to create the final video. But I will use CapCut Video Editor, cause I am comfortable with CapCut. Alright, download all the avatar videos to your device. Now import all the video clips to your video editor. Now, insert the avatar videos into the timeline in ascending order. Now we have to remove the background from the avatar. To do that, select one of the avatar videos and then click on the Remove BG option from here. Here you can notice 3 options to remove the background. If you are a free user, you won't find so many options. Don't worry, still you can do that. Select the Chroma key option from here. After that, select Color from the video. Now we have to adjust the intensity and other values to get a great result. Now if you are a free user, you won't find the Cleanup Edge option. But you can do it with intensity and shadow options. In the same way, delete the background from all the video clips. After removing the background, come to the aspect ratio. Set the aspect ratio according to your needs. I will go with 16:9. Okay, now we need to add the background video and B-roll footage. In the Stock Material tab, you will find a vast number of stock footage for various use cases. You can download footage from royalty-free stock footage websites like Pixabay, even from YouTube. But make sure the videos are under the Creative Commons license. I already collected some footage. Now I will import and use them on CapCut. After importing the video clips, insert them into the timeline. Set the timeline layer behind the avatar timeline. After that, adjust the duration in this method. Upload all the footage and place them. After that, adjust the duration according to the script. In this way, insert all the videos and set them according to need. Now you can add sound effects, subtitles, text, transition, and effects. Spend proper time to edit the video, then you will get an outstanding result. Once you are done, hit the export button. Okay, my video is ready. Let's have a look.
Welcome to our journey through modern world history, where we'll explore the significant events, ideas, and people that have shaped the world we live in today. Hello, I'm Amelia, and I'll be your guide on this enlightening adventure. Our story begins in the late 18th century with the Industrial Revolution, a period of immense technological advancements that transformed societies worldwide. From steam engines to textile mills, this era set the stage for the modernization of economies and the rise of industrialized nations. As the 19th century progressed, political ideologies emerged, shaping the course of nations. From liberalism to socialism and nationalism, these ideologies influenced revolutions, wars, and the establishment of new political systems. The early 20th century witnessed a devastating global conflict known as World War I. The war's aftermath led to the redrawing of national boundaries, the collapse of empires, and the birth of new nations.
I think this is quite an interesting video. So, now you can create this kind of video with DubDub. You can try this amazing tool for a 3-day free trial. And if you want to buy a subscription plan, you have to pay $11 per month for the personal plan, $30 for the professional plan, and $110 for the ultimate plan. And if you use our discount code AILOCKUP, you will get a 20% discount on your purchase. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of video creation with the help of AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!